Hi, in this video, I'll discuss about AND operator. So what is the AND operator? So AND operator is used to apply on multiple condition. If you have more than one condition, then you can combine your condition with AND operator. So AND operator we work with combined condition. So if I talk about the OR operator work separately. Whatever condition you are applying within the OR operator, so OR operator will work separately. Okay, so each condition will work separate. Okay, so here I will discuss about the AND operator and OR operator. So see here, A is a first condition, B is second condition. So if you are applying AND operator to apply A and B condition, if your first condition is false, second condition is false, then your output will be false. If your first condition is false, second condition is true, also output will be false. If your first condition is true, second condition is false, then your output is false. If your both the condition is true, then your output will be true. Then you will get any data. If both the condition will be true, then you will get any data. Otherwise, you will not get any data. So here I have applied the condition. Department should be IT and salary more than 50,000. Okay. So it means you will get all the data from IT department, then it will move the move condition on second condition. So in IT department, it will search more than 50,000. Okay. So let's see how we can do it. So here I'm just moving on SQL. So here I have activated the training database. Now here I have one table, select a star from orders table. Okay, run it. Now you can see here, this is my table. So in this table, I want to pick only those values, the sales value less than 0 and region should be West. So here is my region column. This is my region column. In region column, I will check the West and sales value I will check less than 0. So as of now, we don't have any value which is less than 0 in sales. So second condition will be false. So see here, I'm just applying the condition with where clause. So you need to apply here where region. Region is a first condition. So here I'm taking West. Okay. And is operator. So here my first condition is region and second condition I'm taking sales value less than 0. Now this condition will be false because we don't have any value more less than 0. So you can see here, you will not get any value. See here, done. But in case I take here profit value less than 0, then I have multiple value in waste region which profit value is less than 0. So see here, I'm just applying and you will get multiple data. So as of now, 1021 data which sales profit value is less than 0. So you can see here, each value is less than 0. Less than 0 means minus value. It is a loss, not profit. Okay. So here, I'm just giving you one more example. I need to pick those data from West region who belongs to West region and product category should be technology. So we have 3 products category into this column. So my scenario is you have to pick only those data which is from West region and product category should be technology. So it will work if it will pick the West region and second condition will be checked for technology data. So you will get only those data which belongs to West region and technology. Okay. So you need to write here select star from orders, and then you have to apply the condition where region should be west, and you have to take here product category, product category should be technology. So here I'm taking technology. So you will get only those data from technology which is from west region. So see here, combined data will be extracted. So you can see here, you will get only west region and technology data. Okay. This is all about the AND operator. So now in further video, I will discuss about the OR operator in similar way.